Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Well, it just so happens that I'm seen to be getting a bit more popular than I used to be, and I'm getting sent stuff from all over the world, all over the country, down to the bakery for me to try out and test. Now, they've not asked me to show this on YouTube or promote it in any way. It's just the fact that these guys have just sent this stuff out. Have a go with it, Steve, see what you think. So we'll start off. The company's called Baker. Okay, it's empty. It's actually a box of donuts, as it says on the side. Now, there's 56 donuts in the box, and they come in frozen. Now, they're actually finger donuts. But obviously, when you see them, you'll probably turn around and say, yeah, they are a bit fingery-like. Yeah. So we'll just move that out of the way. They come in like this, already boxed and packaged. So, and to be perfectly honest, I can only speak from what I can see. They look like little Lego bricks, because that's what they look like to me. They don't look like those donuts. They do look like Lego bricks. So let's have a look what they look like outside the box. So I thought I'd be a bit clever here. So I've put two donuts together. That's this Lego brick out the box. And that's my donut I actually made. And obviously, you know, I take time and pleasure over making these donuts. But these ones are like manufacturers in millions. And I can tell you now straight away, this product is available from the supermarket. This is the stuff you pay a lot of money for, or they come in packs. I'm just feeling it. I've just got this out the freezer no sooner as just a few minutes ago, and they're already defrosting. Then so's mine. But then I feel the outside and I'm comparing them just by feel, and I'm just thinking, I'm just looking at that Lego brick and it just doesn't do it for me. But then I'm looking at this and straight away I can see, oh yeah, it looks as though it's a proper donut. So a good way of finding out what they're like is let's cut one open. Well, in fact, I'm going to cut them both open. We'll start with the Lego brick first, just to show you. And that's what the Lego brick looks like inside. Now, to me, that's just a straightforward cakey type donut. It just smells of yeast and artificial improvers. It's just horrible stuff. And whatever else they put in this. Okay, Baker might be really good at their stuff. But let's be fair. I'm a professional baker looking at this thinking, it's not a quality croissant or anything like that. This is just a cheapo donut. So that's what it looks like inside. Now I'm going to cut one of my professional ones open, the ones I made myself. Okay, you're going to say, Steve, you're biased. Yes, you're right. I'm bound to be. It's my channel as well, and I made it. Now I'm looking at differences straight away inside. There's a difference straight away in colour, but I do charge more for mine, and these things are these Lego bricks. They don't cost a lot, so I can understand why supermarkets buy it. They wouldn't be buying mine because it will cost them too much money. But I'm just looking at the comparison inside. There is a comparison between the two. You can smell that it's a donut, and if that's dipped in sugar and got cream and everything else, or if it was a jam donut, it'd be the business. This one, already to me, just doesn't do it for me. But there again, in the supermarket, they sell millions of these things and they cover them in chocolate and God knows what else. And you guys out there who go to the supermarket and buy this stuff for the kids, I wouldn't even buy that type of thing. But thanks to the company who sent them to me, and to be perfectly honest, those ones I got there, I'll be putting in my shop and I'll be giving them away free. By the time you see this video, they're all gone. It's as simple as that. Before I sum up the product, if anybody's had one of these, or have bought this product, do drop a comment down in below. I'd like to be interested and see what you guys think about it. Now, getting back to it, what do I think? Out of 10? Well, if you're saving time in a bakery, you know, great. It is what it is. Maybe if it's decorated up, and as they say, if you wrap up S well, you can sell it. So this is what the supermarkets do. So what I'm going to say is, from my point of view, it might seem a bit harsh or a bit high to whoever's watching this, but I think I'm going to give that a 6 out of 10. Okay, mine's a 10 out of 10, but that is definitely worth a 6 out of 10. I'd like to try someone else's to see what a comparison against. So if there's anybody out there who's got frozen pies or anything you want to send me, Traditional Bakery, it's down in the link below. Send that down to me. I'll give it a whirl and put it out on the channel and see what I think about it. Well, there you go, guys. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe and please share, and we'll see you again on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!